Hi you guys, and welcome back to another video. This is the Galentine's Day video collab with myself and 7 other channels. So there's 8 channels total, and it was one of those, what do they call them? Well, it's a mystery gift exchange. So one person gets that name, and then the next name, and the next name, and I think it's called something Rover, around the corner Rover. I don't know. I've heard the term, but I'm not totally familiar with it. Anyway, the playlist is going to be in the description box down below. Now, I did pick Gina, and it's Discovering with G, I believe. And her link will also be down below in the description box. I'll put it right here on the screen for you as well. Or let's see, right here. Now, the person who got my name was Katie from Katie's Corner of the World. So this is the box that I got from Katie. Now, when you get done watching my video, I'm going to ask you to please head on over to Gina's and see what I got her. She was my Galentine. So anyway, let's do this. There are 8 giveaways as well. So at the end of this video, if you will just stay all the way until the end, I'm going to show you what my giveaway is, including that secret word. So you're not going to want to miss it. Okay, so we got a card. We're going to open that in just a little bit because it takes a little while to get into these boxes, and we don't want these videos to go too long. So we have Loads of Love, special delivery. This is cute. This is like those little wood. It's the little wooden. You know, this will look really cute. Watch this. Okay, so hang on just a sec. Okay, I'm done fussing. We're going to leave that up there. That is really cute. It says Loads of Love, special delivery. Really cute. Now, we did have this was a build your own box, mystery box that you sent to your Galentine. So you didn't go order a subscription. That's coming next month, you guys. Just keep watching. All right. We have makeup sponges, and these are so cute. Look at the shape of the makeup sponges, you guys. They're hearts. They're little wedges. And they're in the shape of hearts. Those are so cute. They're by New Color. And then, of course, candy. Candy! She got me loads of candy. We have Hershey's Kisses in there. Little hearts. There are these Smarties. And a whole bunch of chocolates. And then these are from Crafters Square. These are the stickers. These are really cute. These are the love stickers. Hopefully you can see those. They're 3D. So they are pressed out. They're like the sponge one. They're not flat. Just you. I'm a crafter. Love to craft. I've got more crafting supplies than I know what to do with. But I do not have these. Okay. And this is by X&O at Paper Goods. This is this a pen? Oh yeah. It's a metal pineapple pen. That is cute. Check that out. It's got a little pineapple up there. That is cute. I love pens and pencils. I'm a pencil freak. So obsessed with pencils. And then this one is what is this? Someday, my prince will come. Oh, it's a soy wax candle in a tin. Ooh, that's clean. That is really clean. Look at that. I don't know. I can't really explain to you guys what is. It's woody. It's woody. It's hardy. That's the best way to explain it. Kind of, it's woody, like pine, like you're out in a forest. Okay, and then we have by Love Script, Your Body is a Temple, Worship It. This is a body wash. It's a big tube. Nice tube. You stick that. Could have had that in the shower. This looks like a bath bomb. It's a Mon Cherie. Yes, cherry. This is one of those bath bombs. It's got the 2 different colors. I wonder, sometimes they put rings in here. I've done those. I stopped buying them. About 2-3 years ago, I got into them. Yeah, it's cherry. You can smell. It smells really nice. And then by Hems Hemp's. This is the original herbal body moisturizer. Hydrate and Nourish. I'm very familiar with this. Got introduced to this about 3 years ago. This stuff is really, really good. Thank you, Katie. That stuff is really good. And I can tell you right now, my elbows they'll be dipping into that when we're done here. Oh, this is what I'm smelling. This is Refresh Your Car. It's a vent clip in cherry. Oh my God. I was like, I can smell something in there. Although I think it was that bath bomb as well. Yeah, you can smell. All right. And then by Spongele or Spongeli, it's the multi-use blackberry beyond cleansing. This is a body wash infused buffer. Oh my. Did I read that right? Blackberry? Oh, wow. I wish they had smell-o-vision, you guys. Seriously. So it's like a little, you know, the daisy shape. Now, here's what a lot of people do is they will take and cut it. And so if you cut it into where these are like this, and so you cut this way into the center and that way into the center, and you just take that chunk, they last longer, and you end up with 4 little sections of this instead of getting the entire thing wet at one time. And by Makeup Eraser, this is the Erase All Makeup with just water, the original pink. And you guys all know that Sassy loves a good washcloth when she's doing Mask Monday. So this is the original. This is just the pink one. So this is just the original pink. And it's got hearts on it. Check this out, see? Or they're there. I don't know which way they're going. There you go. It's got the little hearts on the inside of the box. It's a lot of stuff in here, Miss Katie. Thank you. Thank you. My obsession has been fulfilled. This is the Valentine's Day list pad. Love more, worry less. Look at how cute that is. And it's got the little magnet on the back. I wish my little kaluli right here, I wish it was magnetic. And it's not. Because I would be changing all kinds of different things on it all the time. This is perfect. Like the one that, my stationary one that I get now. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's a wooden, like 3D. It's a picture frame. It's a gorgeous picture frame. I love that it has an example of the animals because I do have a cat, a dog, and then a larger dog. So I have the smaller Chihuahua, my black and white cat, which usually ends up like this in front of the heater with the little dog. And then this is my big dog. That is so cute. Or maybe I just put me and my husband in there. Okay, one more thing here we got, and it is a nice little makeup bag. Look how cute this is. It says share love. It's a hashtag share love. AOA Studio, which means it's from Shop Miss A. And she filled it with stuff, or it came filled. I'm not sure. Probably filled it with stuff if I know Katie. Here's the Seaweed Collagen Eye Treatment Masks. Sassy's gonna love these. Love them, love them, love them. And she was asking me about this, so this is cool. I was wondering. I kept going like this, crossing my fingers. She had been asking me when we were getting ready to build these boxes, did I have any of the ColourPop Star Wars? I kept saying no, because I don't. She got me the Mandalorian. Now, see, I did get the Mandalorian, but it was only because my baby granddaughter loves the Mandalorian. So I bought the ColourPop, the one that has the baby on it, but I gave it to her. I never kept it. So this one is the Mandalorian. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, what colors are in here, you guys? I'm guessing like grays, blacks, something like that, yellows. It's got the cute little mirror. He's down there. Check out those colors. That's a beautiful color story. Beautiful color story, Katie. Thank you so much. right there. This, but thank you, because this is for me. Okay, what else do we have in here? Oh, we have a MAC. Oh my goodness, like this is red. This is the one of those bullets. I'm not going to pull it out because you can tell right here it is a Cockney, and I think I have this. I think I have this. It used to be right behind me. It's somewhere. That MAC bullet is somewhere, and it is in the shade Cockney because I'm a red. I ride my horses, and I had to have that red lipstick in my jeans, in my riding jeans. Okay, this is a Always on My Mind wax tart. Oh, okay. Does this go inside like one of those wax melts? It's cute. It's like almost like a blackish, purplish, dark. Can you see that? Like that? See? And it's in the shape of a heart. Are those stars that I see in there? Anyway, I think it's a wax melt. Before I go melting it in one of my little warmers, I'll read it just a little bit more in depth. Then we got a couple more things and we are done. Did I stay under the time limit? Yes. Okay. This one is Perk by Jocelyn Lynn. It is a sheet mask. I can't say I've ever had one of these. That's Perk. And then Perlice, I just used these the other night because I have a box of them. I only have a couple left. These are becoming my favorite nighttime sheet masks. The matcha green tea. They fit my face like a glove. I cannot tell you thank you enough, Katie. They fit my face like a glove. So anyway, I got some really cute things, you guys. Thank you so much. I hope that you all enjoyed watching this video, seeing what Katie built for me for my little Galentine's Day mystery box. Thank you, Katie, so much. Oh, and let's not forget this card. Oh, Snoopy. Look at it's Valentine's Day. It's so cute. Dear Lori, and I hope you got the snuggly warm feeling that you're loved a lot. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day. All of you, because she knows there's 5 of us. Best Katie. Thank you, Katie. And the other 4, thank you as well. Sassy, Insomnia, Depression. We got Smart Cookie over here. You got Lazy Ass and me, Lady Lori. That's all 5 of us. All right, you guys, that's everything. All right, and for the giveaway, which is the Galentine's Day giveaway that is part of this Galentine's Day collab video, we have for you, and this is skincare. Just going to show you some of the items that are in there. This is the Jet Lag by Summer Fridays. Is that, yeah, Summer Fridays. This is a face mask. By OC, this is the Sea Minerals Mist. By Epion, Beverly Hills, the Flawless Serum. And by the way, you are getting the bottle that is not broken. Go back to that video. And by Pure Tone Up. This is the Total Eye Fitness. By Earth Harbor, the Sunshine Dew Antioxidant Cleansing Oil. Those are the items that you will be receiving, as well as a few other little goodies I will toss inside that Galentine's Day giveaway box for you. So that is the prize that you get. Now, as I mentioned, what is the secret word? Well, refresh. Refresh. Use refresh in a sentence down below in your comments. And there you go. You guys take care. Thank you so much. Remember to look at the rules down below for the giveaway. They are in my description box. You must be 18 years or older, or have your parent enter the giveaway. They can give it to you. That's up to you. It is United States only, unless you have somebody here in the US that wants to ship it to them, and then they'll take the cost and ship it to you wherever you live outside of the US. That's between you and your friend or family or loved one, whoever. And you must have a valid street address to send the package to. No P.O. boxes, because they get rejected. Any and all items when they leave my possession are in excellent, good condition. However they go to you is not my responsibility. I do not replace damaged, broken, or anything like that with regards to the giveaway packages. So far, everything has made it to where it needs to go in top shape. So, all right, you guys, take care. Happy Galentine's Day, and I'll see ya in my next video. Bye.